As Vice President of Development for St. Viator High School and the father of 2 current Lions, I cherish the nearly 60-year history of the school and embrace the opportunities that innovation will provide for the future. For everyone associated with St. Viator, there is nothing more important than making sure that a St. Viator education is available to all who seek it. To that end, we continue to grow our ability to provide tuition assistance, making our college preparatory community of learning and religious formation more accessible. Currently, about 1/3 of our student body receives some form of tuition assistance. Last year, we provided nearly $2 million of assistance to families. Information on applying for tuition assistance can be found on our website and includes links to all appropriate forms and deadlines. You will also find a list of scholarships and grants for which you may be eligible, including our summer work-study and internship program, which provides excellent career path opportunities while assisting with tuition costs.